It is not clear.
It is clear. Unfortunately, High Courts, I think, are either confused or they haven't. No. I'm fine. If I can just take you directly, Manoj, to page 198.
So what is the problem here?
I'll just explain. The Lordships.
No, in all case is in tune with what decision, what view has been taken by the court.
Exactly, that's what you're saying. I'm putting no doubt on that. The High Court has confirmed. High Court hasn't considered any of these arguments that were made.
Because the High Court has said those arguments are for future.
Yes.
It happened to me, this, that.
Without understanding the clarification that your Lordships gave and reiterated. The funny part of it is, each of these states.
We are also not able to understand.
So I'll explain. So after your Lordship's clarification came in April, many cases which were pending in various high courts had to be decided in terms of the main Devesh Sharma judgment and the clarification that was given. The effect of it was very simple and straightforward. One, if you were appointed, that's the words your Lordship advisedly used, prior to the date of Devesh, which is 11th August 2023, you would be protected even if you were a BA. However, if you were a party on whom there was an interim order which was attending this issue, either at the High Court, Supreme Court, wherever else it was, then, and making the entire process subject to the outcome of that, that will not save you and you will be out based on the Devesh Sharma. Devesh Sharma merely said, DLED is the valid one, NCT notification goes, B.Eds are out. Therefore, the upshot is, if a B.Ed candidate was subject to an interim order, or even without an interim order, if he had been appointed on or after 11th August 2023, he would not get it, full stop.
We are not interfering in this matter. We are not keep on giving clarification.
No, I'm not asking for clarification. This is an SLP. This is not an MA. So what happened is, many states...
You got the relief already.
No, that's the problem. Let me explain what happened. We are DLED candidates. We should have succeeded in terms of Devesh Sharma, where we succeeded. In the clarification also we succeeded. Madhya Pradesh High Court should have simply followed your Lordship's judgments in para and verse. They ignored those in the protected category. No, we were unfortunately once were out because B.Ed.
Once they are out, then you get a right to take
Exactly. That's what should have been done.
They were not appointed till that day.
They were not appointed up to 11/8/23. There was a selection list. Drawn up on 11/8/2023. Appointments took place subsequently. Interim orders were in any case against them, both in the High Court and in this court. In the Supreme Court, there were interim orders against them. Despite that, there were parties here. They had in fact filed applications of intervention.
What does the High Court say on this?
So just see the High Court's finding. It's very short because the first 44 pages are just the memo of parties. At page 50, if your Lordships will see, the conditions to be satisfied, they have listed out from 49 onwards. Small Roman 12. Page 49. Small Roman 12, page 49. Justice Zamanullah. If I can read that. Justice Dule has it, right? Page 49. The conditions to be satisfied by B.Ed appointees are as follows. They are B.Ed appointees. 1. Benefit of prospective operation of judgment dated 11/8 shall not be available to such B.Ed appointees who had approached the court and had made their selections appointments subject to final outcome of the case instituted by them. Pertinently, since none of the B.Ed appointees are before this court, the said condition is inapplicable. All the B.Ed candidates are before the court. I don't even know how they came up with this unless they're taking a very literal interpretation of by them, which would mean that they have to be the petitioners. Since they are getting the benefits, they obviously won't be the writ petitioners. But be that as it may, they were in any case applicants in the Supreme Court. They intervened in Devesh Sharma. They said we have an interim order from the High Court against us. In Devesh Sharma, which is coming from Rajasthan, they told the court that, look, we are Madhya Pradesh, because its NCT is a national notification, it's struck on Rajasthan and not state, it's affecting us. Now, our appointments are put in the balance because we won't get appointed. because NCT notification allowed B.Ed candidates to come. Therefore, when the interim order came against them from the Madhya Pradesh High Court, they filed an intervention application in Devesh Sharma here. It was taken up. All the matters were heard together and a stay was granted in favor of DLED against the B.Ed, saying that if your appointments are made, they will be subject to the outcome of the proceedings. Devesh Sharma came, struck down NCT, told the B.Ed candidates are out. So the obvious consequences, once you've suffered an interim order, not only in the High Court, but also in this court in Devesh Sharma itself, how is it that this judgment can possibly say none of the B.Ed appointees
Can be excluded from the benefit?
correct, completely excluded. Yeah, and I want to read the High Court judgment because it's only 2 pages. B.Ed appointees, number 2. B.Ed appointees should be in regular appointment based on the selection pursuant to advertisement prescribing B.Ed as an essential qualification. Pertinently, in the state of Madhya Pradesh, all the B.Ed appointees have been subjected to selection and appointment on the basis of B.Ed qualification prescribed in recruitment rules and the advertisement. The aforesaid 2 conditions are subject to the fact that the B.Ed appointees were appointed prior to judgment of the Apex Court dated 11/8/23. Therefore, even if they did not have interim orders, that they would have to be appointed before 11/8/23. Therefore, if any of the B.Ed appointees were appointed on or subsequent to 11/8/2023, then their services will have to be dispensed with. This is exactly what took place here. Selection lists were made on 11/8/23 and days thereafter, and all of them have been protected despite this code. The aforesaid conditions are further qualified by the fact that mere selection or placement in the select list without any appointment order having been issued shall not entitle B.Ed holders to the benefit of appointment. Even the rules say this. My friends are relying on selection list.
You are already in service.
No, we are not. That's why we are here. Because
saying that apprehension of service and all. That's wrong.
no, because that's the next one.
The court hearing in your favor. Now, sir, where is the tax changes?
Correct. No, yes,
I am for the B.Ed candidate. Just allow me to place.
I just
एग्जाम कार्ड के द्वारा एक स्पेशल एडिशन लॉन्च किया गया है मध्य प्रदेश महिला पर्यवेक्षक यानी आंगनवाड़ी कार्यकर्ता भर्ती परीक्षा के साथियों संपूर्ण स्टडी गाइड जिसको आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक के द्वारा चाहे अमेजन से ऑनलाइन हो या अग्रवाल एग्जाम कार्ड की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट के द्वारा आप इसे ले सकते हैं दोस्तों। बहुत ही बेहतरीन बुक है जिसमें पाठ्यक्रम के अनुसार चाहे आपका पोषण स्वास्थ्य हो, शिशु देखभाल एवं शिक्षा, प्रबंधकीय गुण, सामान्य ज्ञान एवं तर्क शक्ति, सभी इस विषयों का संपूर्ण सार और बेहतरीन सटीक तैयारी करने की दोस्तों ये बुक आपको हेल्प करेगी। जिस प्रकार देख सकते हैं आप लोग एक चीज सिलेबस को यहाँ पर डिटेल में समझाया गया है, चाहे मानव पोषण हो, चाहे आपका रीजनिंग हो, सामान्य गणित हो, हर एक टॉपिक को बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया गया है साथियों। तो आप अपनी तैयारी में सहायता के लिए बेहतरीन तरीके से 4 चांद लगाने के लिए आप अग्रवाल एग्जाम कार्ड की बुक को दोस्तों फॉलो कर सकते हैं। कंटेंट बेहतरीन है। इसके अलावा साथियों महिला परीक्षक भर्ती के लिए आज उन्होंने प्रैक्टिस सेट भी लॉन्च किया है। 72 यूनिट वाइज प्रैक्टिस सेट है साथियों जो कि बहुत ही शानदार है और आप टेस्ट लगा के देख सकेंगे कि आपकी तैयारी कितनी शानदार हो, किस तरीके से चल रही है साथियों। चाहे वो टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट हो या फिर आपका ऑल ओवर एफएलटी हो दोस्तों, फुल लेंथ टेस्ट हो, सभी बहुत ही अच्छा टेस्ट दिया गया है इसमें और कंटेंट को बहुत ही सुरक्षित तरीके से एक एक डाटा को बिना एरर के दोस्तों आप लोगों के लिए तैयार किया गया है ताकि किसी तरीके से मिस्टेक ना हो। डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर आप संपर्क कर